name is David William, and I am the owner of Do Mender. I'm here today to show you how my mender works to fix bisque product that's already been fired. We have our broken bisque pieces right here, and my recommendation is to use my Do Mender helper as a wetting agent so that it doesn't pull the moisture out of the mender. And we'll get into our mender and put some of our mender on that broken spot. And put our pieces together. And build up over that broken spot with our mender. And we're going to let that dry. If you can get to the back side of it, you can put some mender on the back side of it too. Now here I have mender that I've fixed on a piece that's dry on both sides. It's ready to be cleaned. Carefully clean it back. And this is ready to be fired. That side's not been cleaned yet, but that's ready to be cleaned on the back side and fired. And then here's a piece that has been fired. Now I didn't clean it all the way to show that this is a broken spot. And this is what I've mended. And over here, I have a tile that I just repaired with greenware, with my mender. This is 13 ounces of product hanging from that mended tile. But my question for you is your mender this strong? Thank you.